We have an operator that is setting a mission for a drone, and in 2 facilities now, we are actually operating 2 drones simultaneously with a single operator, which, as a side note, doubles our productivity with the drones. But we're really through via the tablet, and that Gather provides. We're setting a mission based on an overall cycle count or scanning plan that we have, and you know, the use case, the customer is critical to determining what that cycle plan looks like. Right? We have certain customers we want to cycle through the inventory in once a quarter, or in some very high value situations, once a month. And so we set our missions and our flight plans based on that. We're simply selecting a range of locations in a given aisle for the drone to scan via the portal, and placing that drone in that aisle and sending it on its way. The drone, we have multiple batteries in on the cart that we will swap out on the drone when the battery depletes. And it will continue its mission until it's done and land at the end of that flight pattern. So the operator is in that area, monitoring the drone, and again, can operate up to 3 at one given time. And once that drone's flight is complete, we'll upload that information to the portal, which matches our WMS or compares against our WMS file that we uploaded. And exceptions are generated, if any. Operator will then work within the dashboard and be able to see that flight schedule, be able to see the results both from a LP match and also a visual representation of what the drone saw in that location. And we're looking, of course, for exceptions. Ideally, we have none, but we're able to call out within the portal itself exceptions only. See what those exceptions are. Was it, is the LP in the wrong location? It calls out, and this is a real downstream benefit for us. It really helps to increase operator discipline out on the floor. Our operators putting pallets away correctly, cases away correctly. Are they applying the LPs in the correct location? And we're able to look at those exceptions. For those that we can't resolve within the portal itself, just by seeing the scans and seeing that maybe that LP is in a different location, that we're able to search in the portal and actually see the visual. We may have to go out and research, but we're able to resolve a lot of them just by working within the portal.